Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be organizing underneath my kitchen cabinet. So unexpectedly I had an issue with my garbage disposal. It was backed up, which caused me to have to basically take everything from underneath the cabinets. And once we fixed it, I refused to put everything back in the way that it was. I figured that this would be the perfect time to go ahead on and organize everything underneath there. So these are all of the items that came from underneath my cabinet. It's quite a lot, and some of this stuff can actually be tossed away. I purchased some bins from the Dollar Tree to help me to organize my space. So this is just a little basket. I've got two of these baskets here. I picked up two LED lights, one for each side of the cabinet, because this is going to help light underneath the kitchen cabinet, as well as some shelf covering that I'm not sure that I'm going to be using. I picked up two of these chalkboard clothespins to label my bins from Michaels. I've got some more microfiber cloths from the Dollar Tree. These come in a pack of 2 for $1, so I got 4. Then I also picked up this container here from Michaels, and this is what I'm going to be using to put my dishwasher powder in to keep from having to use the box underneath the sink. Also from Dollar Tree, I have two of these little plastic containers with the white lids on them, and I'm going to use these for all of my dishwasher packs and my Brillo pads. Now, just to give underneath the cabinet some height and shelving, I found this 2-tier shelf at Target, which is going to be great as far as keeping everything from being on one level. And I only picked up one because the middle of my sink is kind of narrow, but it extends out on both sides. I have some solid rectangular bins from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 shelf risers from the Dollar Tree, which is going to add some height and give me 2 levels as well. Also from Target, I picked up 2 of these clear acrylic kitchen organizers. And last but not least, I have this white little bin organizer from the Dollar Tree and some command strips that you can get from Walmart, Michaels, Hobby Lobby. But I'm going to use these in combination on my cabinet doors, and I will show you guys this later in the video. So as you can see, my cabinet is pretty narrow in the front, but it extends out basically in the shape of a triangle. So it gets really deep on both sides. So I'm going to try to maximize the space on both sides of the cabinet along with what's in the front as well. Using my white chalk pen, I'm going to go ahead on and label all of my chalkboard labels. I also have some peel and stick labels that I purchased from Michaels, and these are the same ones that I used in my pantry organization video. So now it's time to organize all of my products, basically separating my kitchen supplies from my household supplies. I felt that it'd be easier to separate the two. Therefore, whenever I need certain supplies, I know exactly where to look. And then I'm going to go ahead on and just fill all of my other containers up as well. now all of my dishwashing supplies are in cute little containers, and they're not in any of the boxes or the packaging, and I really like the way that it looks. So using the clear acrylic organizers from Target, I'm going to keep my sponges. Now I love to use the sponges from Dollar Tree. They're foam on one side and then they're really hard surface on the green side. So I'm just neatly stacking them in the container, and we'll know to reach in here from now on whenever we need sponges. And in this container, I'm going to roll up all of my microfiber cleaning cloths. In one of my cleaning videos, a subscriber did say to me that I was going to be spending a lot of money using all of that paper towel, and she was correct. I have a habit of grabbing the paper towels to clean as opposed to the cloths a lot of the times. So I'm going to try to make more use of these microfiber cloths to save some coins instead of using paper towel. This LED light works with the flick of a button, and it is peel and stick, so you just peel the paper off the back and the adhesive sticks to whatever surface you put it on. So here I'm showing you how I'm using the LED lights underneath the cabinet. As you saw before, it was very dark. So all you do is basically push the button in the middle in, and the light pops on and lights up underneath the cabinet. So this is good for any space, not just the kitchen cabinet. You can use this in closets, in the bathroom, in any dark spaces. I love these things. So in an effort to hide the pipes underneath the cabinet, I'm going to take this piece of cardboard and cover it with this marble contact paper. Now you can use foam board from the Dollar Tree as well, but I had an extra piece of cardboard laying around, so I figured why not just use this. So now it is time to start organizing. For the floor of the cabinet, I decided to place a piece of white contact paper at the bottom, and then I'm inserting my marble covered board on top just to cover the pipes. I wasn't able to take it all the way across the front because then that would block some of the containers that I was going to be putting diagonally inside of the underneath the cabinet. So I had to do it like this, which is fine. So on the door, I'm hanging my command strips, and the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to keep the gloves as well as one of the sponges that we're currently using in this little container here. I only have one in this video, but I did go back and grab another one so that I could have two underneath here. So this is my newly organized cabinet underneath the kitchen sink. I am loving it. It looks so much better than it did previously. I wish I had a before shot, but like I said, this was kind of unexpected, and I just decided to do this since I had already taken all of my products out. But I have my kitchen supplies and my sponges on the left. Over here on the right, we have household cleaners and my cloths. And then here in the middle are all of my cleaning wipes, hand sanitizers, dish soap, and underneath are dishwasher packs and Brillo pads. On the door right here are the gloves that I was mentioning to you guys, and I'll also be putting my sponge in there. I absolutely love it. It looks so nice and so clean, and it's so organized. And it's so easy now to just grab whatever we need without having to go through a bunch of products to find whatever it is. And it also makes it easy for my daughter when she's cleaning to basically just read the labels, and she can find the supplies she needs to do her chores as well. So I hope you were able to get some organization tips or ideas, and I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Daisies.